Alright, I don't know if you guys heard me, but I'm actually going to get this phone, put this on the back piece, right here, on the new one, LGC battery. Give me a second. Try to figure out how to put it on. Or should just go like this. Might have to put glue on here to set it down. Make sure it stays. Yeah, give me a second. That was sticky at one point, it's not sticky no more. So what I'm about to do, I'm actually going to put it on here. Give me a second. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? Your boy, man, Frank XP88 coming at you live, man. So what I'm about to do, I'm actually got this phone, an LG X210MA. This is the model number. It's an Asteroid 2 2018. I actually got my my other screen, the glass. So I'm actually about to put it on. I actually took off the back already from this other phone. See, I actually took off the back and actually put it on here. Okay, I'll call you down, give it to him, let me play with it. So this phone is what cracked. I'm gonna put this one on, my new phone. And I actually took this off too. I'm actually going to place it in the back. Right here on the back. Hope you guys can see that. That's where it goes. So let me go ahead and get some glue. I got the B7000 for the glue. I'm gonna have to just go ahead and put this baby on. Just put a little bit. All I need, just a little bit. All I need, just a little bit. So, anyways, so put this baby right there. Gotta stick it right on here. Perfect fit. Oh, you guys can't even see. Perfect fit. Anyways, so there it is. Back up here. Keep your eyes up here. Alright, so what I'm about to do now. So what I did, when the other cracked cream, this is actually the main screen in the front that goes right here behind it. That goes behind here. I actually got a blow dryer. I got a blow dryer. I was heating it up. That's how I took out the glue around here in the glass. I actually took off the glass with this tool right here. A lot of other people use, what's good to use is a razor. I just didn't have one, so I just heat up the glass and I took it off, broke it off, so now it's off. And now I'm about to put it back together. So it's actually my first time doing this, so stay tuned. So what I'm about to do is that this piece right here, you want to make sure that it goes inside this little cut right here. So I'm about to just go ahead and put that baby in here. So bada bing, bada boom. So that's how we're gonna go in. Oh, I should have put it up a little bit higher. So anyways, what I'm about to do, I'm actually about to put the glass in, the glue on first. Just wanted to show you that you gotta slip it through that hole first. Go ahead, you don't want to rip that apart because that's the main thing. So I'm about to go ahead and put this glue in. The B7000 really don't dry as fast as other ones. But when you want to do it, you want to make sure you scrape off everything. Make sure you got no extra glue or glass stuck on here, which there's not. So I'm about to put this baby on here right now. Put it everywhere. You don't need to put too much, but you want to make sure you do have enough on here so the glass could stick on here. So here I am. I'm putting it on. Well, let me just kind of do it right here. You want to make sure you get it all on the edges as well too. There you go. There's a little groove. You want to make sure it fits in there. Go all around here. This is where the glass is going to lay. Put this baby right here. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. My laptop is about to die, but let me go ahead and plug it in. Alright, there we go. We're good to go. Yes, I'm recording this off my laptop. If you guys did not know, now you know. Alright, so back to the glue. Put this baby back on here. Do it right here at the edge too. I think I need to put it on. Alright, and here's this little microphone piece too. Gotta put it right here in the center. Put this right there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this piece on here. And then make sure it goes in that little loop right here. Turn it this way. Make sure it goes in there. And then bada bing bada boom, clicked right in. So after you put that in, this is going to be pretty much your phone right here. Let me pick it up. Your phone case is how it's going to look. I should have moved it up when I put it back here. I wasn't thinking. I believe that's where it goes, the black piece. But it is what it is. Can I move it? Nah, I'll leave it as it is. Some people clamp the phone down so you can actually hold it so the glue stays on. But I think it should be good. I'm just going to put the back piece on. So after you put this baby in, you got your motherboard. Well, you want to put in your back piece of the camera. You put it in right. Then let me put this down. You put it in here. You want to make sure this is down as well too. But let me go ahead and put the motherboard in first, which is right here. You guys can see there. The motherboard. Your motherboard will just fit right in just like that. You push down. You will have some clicks. And then here's your camera. You don't want to forget your camera. You want to have your camera in there. You push it in, click it, and then you want to make sure it goes in there. Right there. Just click that baby in. I am shocked. There you go. Yo, what's up, man? It's your boy Frank HP88, man. I thought I was recording, but I was not. But I actually put my phone back together. I got a new case. As you can see, this is my old screen, which I just took off. The way how you want to do it, if you have the back piece of your phone, go ahead, take off the battery. Right here. Take off the battery. And then you got this SIM card right here. Take out your SIM card. Then you're going to have 12 screws to take off. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oops, can you see? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 screws. 12. So you got the 12 screws you want to take off. And then when you take off the screws, you actually want to get either a plastic piece and you want to wedge it in here. And you would take off the plastic piece, then you'll be able to take off the motherboard. And then the motherboard is the main thing. You want to be careful when you put it back on. My bad, guys. I wasn't recording, but I'm so put this up on YouTube, showing that I did my phone. But yeah, man, if you have any questions, write a comment down below, or, and I will show you how to do it. But other than that, man, keep your head up. I use the B7000 glue. It works good. My phone works. I'm just happy that I did it on my own. First time doing it, easy peasy, nothing to it. Just patient and just figure out how to do it. Watch other videos like I did, and done. All right, man. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help you out.